Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and phone readiness. Ensure AirPods Pro have charge and the case is open. On your mobile, turn Bluetooth on and grant any pairing permissions so the device can discover peripherals. For iPhone, unlock and keep the Bluetooth screen visible. Why? Because most automatic prompts require an active foreground Bluetooth scan. Keeping the phone unlocked prevents background restrictions. Once done, hold the case near the phone so discovery begins immediately, and you avoid repeated timeouts or you now trigger pairing by pressing and holding the small button on the case until the LED flashes white. That puts the AirPods Pro into discoverable mode. Then, on your phone's Bluetooth list, tap the entry labeled AirPods Pro. The phone negotiates authentication and sets up audio profiles. Make sure to accept any permission prompts for calls or notifications so features like microphone and automatic ear detection work. If you use an account-based phone, you may also be asked to confirm device sharing. Accept to sync settings across devices. You finish by checking that audio routes to the AirPods Pro and the phone shows their battery levels in the widget. Play a short clip to confirm left/right channels. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, which clears prior pairings. Then repeat the pairing steps. Make sure your phone's OS is updated, and if problems persist, restart the phone. That clears Bluetooth cache and often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.